Tired of seeing those pesky activation errors on your Microsoft 365 apps? In this video, we'll break down exactly how to activate Microsoft 365 apps for enterprise, ensuring your team gets seamless access and stays compliant. First up, let's talk about organizational accounts. The easiest way is usually through your organizational account. Open any Microsoft 365 app. Like Word, you'll typically see a sign-in prompt. Use the email and password provided by your company's IT department. This automatically links your app to your enterprise license. If prompted for a product key, locate the key provided by your organization. This might be in an email or on your company's internal portal. Enter it carefully, paying close attention to upper and lowercase letters. For larger organizations, volume licensing is common. Your IT admin will manage activations centrally and users usually don't need to do anything manually. But if you encounter issues, contact your IT help desk. After signing in or entering the product key, you should see a confirmation message that your Microsoft 365 apps are activated. This means you're all set. Now, your team can work seamlessly with the full suite of Microsoft 365 apps. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to maximize your productivity.